Well, today is going to be very windy, so you want to be careful on the roadways. Give those high profile vehicles, the trucks, delivery trucks, probably a lot of those on the road right now. Give them some space on the roadways and take your time as well. We can see this windy condition lasting until this evening. Temperatures will be in the 50s, but they are going to continue to fall throughout the day as we have a front move through and cool us down a bit. So that's the alert weather. It's for the wind that is going to be behind some of these fronts. So we had one move through that brought a lot of rain. We have a few lingering showers here and there, and then the cold air and the wind is really going to pick up as this next cold front approaches. We're going to see wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour across the region. So again, you really want to take your time on the roadways. We can see that higher elevations will have the wind really ramping up, and so it's also going to bring in some very cold air. So we'll have a frigid start to the day tomorrow, but our temperatures the wind will be calming down a little bit by tomorrow. Look at this temperature difference. So again, that front is bringing in some cool air. Here in Baltimore, we're in the 50s. Look out in western Maryland where we're in the 20s, and then on the eastern shore in the 50s. So that's nearly a 30-degree or a little over a 30-degree temperature difference across the state. So that front is going to continue to bring in that cold air as it sweeps across the region. So that's just showing you how strong this front is, how windy it's going to be because of that temperature difference around the region. So temperatures will continue to fall into the rest of the evening and into tomorrow morning, where lows will be in the 20s. It's going to be a beautiful day though tomorrow. We're looking at those sunny skies and temperatures in the 40s. Our temperatures today in the 50s, at least to start the day, was in the upper 50s, but gradual cooling as that front continues to move on through. Now Sunday, first day of winter. The winter begins at 10:03. This is actually going to be the shortest day of the year. We're looking at 50 degrees as the temperature. We cool down a bit on Monday, but then a mild trend returns for Wednesday, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We're going to be in the 50s across the region.